Hi, once again, I'm James Wayne. I'm currently a rising junior at Doherty Valley High School in San Ramon, which is in East Bay, California. Just some hobbies I like. I like to cook in the free time, and I also like running as a hobby. And I have a huge Lego collection that I'm trying to grow. And I guess something interesting about me is that I can juggle four balls at the same time, which is pretty cool. Some future plans and goals I have is that I'm aspiring to become a medical worker in the future. And within college, just some future goals. I'm planning to major in bio and bioengineering. And I'm pretty open to any subject. Otherwise, I just want to kind of get exposed to kind of the medical field. And that's why I started with this Eureka program. So because of my interest in kind of gearing towards the bio and bioengineering process, I kind of wanted to kind of familiarize myself with gene editing. And something that I found fascinating was that it was possible. I didn't even know before this that it was actually possible to edit genes in general. And I thought this was just a super cool topic and something that I was super interested in. And since I'm pretty open to kind of any medical research or any medical exposure, I decided to just hop on the ride with CRISPR. So my instructor, Mr. Lee, has been very kind and very generous towards kind of the whole lecture. Usually because CRISPR, he told me that it's more taught at a not at high school level, at a more college, at a more collegiate level, even though it can be up to much higher. And he has simplified a lot of things for me so that I am able to digest at a high school level. And there's been a lot of questions I have. There's a lot of deep topics within CRISPR that are really difficult, but I feel like working with Mr. Lee, we were able to break it step by step and really kind of able to digest it at a basic level. So my current research project and progress is that I'm currently writing an outline of a basic summary of CRISPR, and kind of really just what did Mr. Lee did for me, kind of digesting down what CRISPR is, all the experiments, all the laboratories that were created, kind of at a basic level for people to kind of understand and kind of really express it. Definitely. Within CRISPR, there's a vast amount of research papers, and I felt that as a high school student who is currently researching something that is much higher than my level, I found it kind of very difficult for me to find a lot of good sources to really break it down, and to not only that, to only really digest the sources. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of diagrams, a lot of words, a lot of terms that I don't understand, and I'm thankfully my instructor, Mr. Lee, has been able to simplify it through kind of online Zoom meetings, and that really helped me kind of write and create more sources. And I was able to write from my outline, which I overcame, I guess, my challenge, sort of in a way. I've had a local volunteering program at Santa Clara Valley Medical Center that I've been trying to go there every week and volunteer for a few hours and kind of really see what it's like to just volunteer / work in kind of a big medical hospital. And I found that super fun. It was really great to talk to any patients or any visitors visiting any patients. It was super fun. And then another exposure I had to medical working was kind of the drug discovery. I had an online class that talked about the discovery of medical drugs that were used kind of in the history, as well as developing some nearby future medical drugs that were really helpful, and it really gave a vast kind of experience to me through all medical exposure.